hello.
Hello.
Nice, hello. What is your name?
Amigo.
Amigo. What is your name?
Amigo.
Amigo.
How are you?
Oh, one more time. What would you like to say to these people?
How are you?
How are you this morning? How are you this morning? You're all fine, eh? Amigo here is very clever. He can count 1 to 10. In English, everyone listen. Amigo, I told these people that you are a very clever bird. Okay? You got a bit of the sun. I tell you what, I'll move Amigo forward just to get the shade. Okay, can all of you see the bird? It's okay? Okay, count 1 to 10. Count in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, he's going to sing a Malay song entitled Rasa Sayang. Who knows the song Rasa Sayang? If I translate that simply means I love you. No. Oh, no, it simply means, okay, feelings of love. Rasa is feel. Sayang is love. It's a very catchy tune. Everyone listen. Sing Rasa Sayang.
Current light.
Wrong song. I'm so sorry. Like I told you earlier, we are doing this live. Malay song, not Chinese song. Sing that Rasa Sayang.